What is going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to show you how to mount some LED snorkel lights from LightingTrendz inside a snorkel for a Dodge Charger. Now, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube put these on, but they never really show how you mount them inside here. And LightingTrendz doesn't give you any instructions for that. Now, this has adhesive on the back, but the problem is that this is a flat piece of material, and the snorkel itself is not flat. So you can't just lay this in there and have it adhere to the side. So I'm going to show you how I got this mounted, and hopefully this will help some people out there. So now what you're going to need to do this project with is you want a pencil, you want some scissors, you want some glue, and you want some alcohol just to clean the inside of it. The other thing that I use is that I have a piece of Easy Lip. This is the stuff that typically goes underneath along the edge of your car. The nice thing about this is that it has a piece of adhesive on it. So I'm going to cut this and use it to secure this. So I'm going to put pieces here and here. And then I'm going to be able to rest this down on top of the pieces that are right there. I'm also going to use some glue to tap along this edge here. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set this in here, and I'm going to use a pencil to mark the underside of it so I know where it lines up on the snorkel itself. Okay, so when you put this in, you're going to snake it through because you're going to want the cable to come out the back. So it's basically going to look like this. I don't know if you can see the cable there. Snakes along the back. And I'm going to line this up so that it's snug inside there. And then I'm going to take the pencil and line the back of it so I know where it lines up on the snorkel itself. Okay, so now I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can see it. See, I have the little pencil line around the outside there, and it shows me where the edge of the LED light goes. So now I cut little pieces of Easy Lip, and I'm going to mount these along the inside. I'm going to cut them in smaller pieces and just mount them along the inside of there. Okay, now you can see where I've got those mounted in there like that. Okay, so that's going to give me a flat surface for the adhesive on the back of this to stick to right there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bead of glue all the way around the pencil line there, and that's what's going to hold the front of this on. Like that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this off on the back, and then I'll put the glue line on. Okay, I got the glue in, got the back, the adhesive off there, so now I'm going to lay it on there. Remember, you got to feed it through the back. So now I'm putting pressure on there to get the glue to stick, and to make sure that the adhesive on the back there sticks to the little rubber pieces. So you just want to hold this for, a couple minutes just to make sure that the glue is really on there good. Okay, so there it is. I don't know if you can see, there's the little pieces in the back. You really can't see them from the front. And then you got the glue that's tapped down around the edges there. And the cable's coming out the back there. So it's in there pretty good. I'm not going anywhere. So that's it. That's how I mounted them in there. Now, I've heard other people say that they drill holes through here and use fishing wire to secure it, but that seems like a lot of work. I think you're better off just using glue, and even if you don't have the easy lip, you can still bead some glue along the edge there, and it should hold it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to mount these now. Now, this is the LightingTrendz controller. I already had that because I have one of the grill lights, and these share the same controller and the same type of 5-pin connector. So I can have these and the grill, the illuminated grill badge, all controlled off this one controller, which, you know, means that they'll shift at the same time and everything like that. Now, these have this little connector here. There's a black and a yellow. That's if you want to hook this up to the turn signal, and it'll come on when the turn signal comes on, and it'll come on yellow. I'm not going to hook those up, so I'm just going to take these off with electrical tape before I string anything through. Okay, so I got them in. I basically strung the cable up through here. I reached down with my hand here, and I could grab it. Took this off. I took these clips off and ran it over here, and it comes out there, and I got it all basically snaked up down there. So, okay, there they are. See how bright they are. That's maximum power at white.